Hi students, today we're going to do section 2 of chapter 9. Substituted hydrocarbon. A substituted hydrocarbon is a hydrocarbon where one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by a functional group. And what a functional group is, a substituted atom or group of atoms. So they take out one hydrogen or more and they put other atoms in it, so different types of elements. There are lots of functional groups. You only are going to learn about a couple of them. The first type is alcohols. Alcohols is when it has a functional group of OH. So they take out one hydrogen and then they replace it with an OH. The first one is methanol. Methanol is CH3OH. If you remember from section 1 notes, methane is 4 hydrogens. So you would have C with 4 hydrogens around it. But what they do is they take out one hydrogen and put in an OH, and then it becomes methanol, because that's an alcohol. Methanol is extremely poisonous. It is it's used as in a photocopier toner, or it has been in the past, and if you drink it, you can get really sick and you can die from it. Ethanol is C2H5OH. So we have two carbons, and then one of the hydrogens is taken off and replaced with an OH. Ethanol is what your alcohol that like your parents drink. So those are ethanol. Ethanol is also found in gasoline, and so what they do to the ethanol found in gasoline is they denature it so that you can't drink it and you'd become sick from it, so that people won't start drinking gasoline. And often they use methanol to denature ethanol. Just add some methanol to it. And the third type of alcohol you need to know is propanol. Propanol is C3H7OH, and so there's 3 carbons and 1 hydrogen is taken off for it to become OH. The next type of substituted hydrocarbon, or the last type of substituted hydrocarbon you need to know, is halocarbons. If you remember, halogens is your group 7, so you've got fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. If you add in one of those, if you take out a hydrogen and replace it with one of those, you have a halocarbon. There are a few that you need to know. You need to know chloromethane. So methane, once again, we would have 1 carbon. And since there's just 1 chlorine, it's chloromethane. So it's CH3, 1 hydrogen was taken off and replaced with 1 chlorine. And that is a refrigerant. The next one you need to know is dichloromethane. So since it's dichloro, we have 2 chlorines, so 2 hydrogens were taken off. So now we have now we only have 2 hydrogens and we have 2 chlorines. That's used to decaffeinate coffee. And the last one you need to know is trichloromethane. So now we've got trichloro, so we've got 3 chlorines and only 1 hydrogen. Still it's methane, so still just 1 carbon. And that is chloroform, which can be used to put someone to sleep. You'll see that in movies sometimes they'll add it to a cloth, and then if you inhale it, you get knocked out. That is it for today's notes.